Today we're visiting the California Academy of Sciences in Golden Gate Park, San Francisco, and seeing the Bugs exhibit. Open year-round, the Science Center has a planetarium, aquarium, and a biosphere. In the Academy's second floor, we find Bugs, a traveling exhibition created by Te Papa Tongarua Museum of New Zealand, and please let me know in the comments how badly I mispronounced that, and Weta Workshops, the creative studio behind Lord of the Rings and, of course, the special effects for many other movies. And Weta has done a tremendous job of placing you in the world of insects at their size. This orchid praying mantis is both beautiful and terrifying. The lighting and the design here is outstanding. Like an alien jump scare out of the camouflage, let's leave the mantis to his orchids and head over to the recreation of the inside of a beehive. Each exhibit informs and educates about the insect or arthropod, but it also just looks freaking cool. I mean, this thing is beautiful. I would love to live in a house that looked like this. Or at least stay in an Airbnb, because I probably couldn't afford any place that looked like this, especially in San Francisco. We're also treated to the sounds of the inside of a hive. Here, the bees are defending the hive from an invading wasp. If you don't like bugs, this exhibit may change your mind, because everything just looks so amazing. Or it's nightmare fuel because the insects are gigantic and look so real. Before we wrap things up and you jump off to that next video, I'd just like to ask you to please take a moment and hit the like and subscribe buttons. It's absolutely free to subscribe to channels on YouTube, and by doing that, you're encouraging me to make more videos. And thanks again for watching. Moondog, out. Hey, I'd like to know what you thought of this video. Leave me a comment or chat with me on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, MeWe, Instagram, or Locals. And if you want to see all of my videos, go to moondogindustries.com.